Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel Regal Unlimited subscription. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Regal, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts, rewards, or promos upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are few ways to cancel your Regal Unlimited or Regal Movies subscription. First is to cancel it on the website itself. So first, you need to go to the Regal Movies website. So right here on the Regal Movies website, just sign in your account. And after signing in your account, just go to your account settings and there you can manage your subscription and cancel it yourself. So now, if you're having a problem canceling your Regal Movie subscription, you can always rely to the customer service. And if you want to contact the Regal Movies customer service, just search Regal Movies customer service on Google or on your website, and after that, just click contact us right here and you will be redirected to their contact page. And there you will see their contact information, their emails, as well as their social media. So if you want, you can email them and ask them for to cancel your subscription. And of course, you need to provide your account information. And also, you can message them on Facebook or Twitter. Just click them and you will be redirected to their page. And also, it's not appearing right here, but you can also contact them using this number and ask for help from the customer service agent, and yeah, they will help you to cancel your subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's the only ways to cancel your Regal Unlimited subscription. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.